I'll share how to say fast food names in Mandarin and show the characters in traditional Chinese. It'll be an interactive video series, and let me explain how it works. There will be 3 food-related vocabularies and 3 sections of practice. Begin with a complete introduction, including English names, Pinyin, and Chinese names. I'll leave some seconds for you to repeat after me. The second section is fast-paced, after the English names, followed by the Chinese names. I'll give you bonus content before the end and explain selected Chinese characters with their decompositions. The final section will be a review that I only show you their Chinese names to focus on reading them. I'm Yao, and my videos are about writing in traditional Chinese and Chinese study materials. It's informative, and I welcome you to join me. The food-related vocabularies in this video are hot dog, 热狗 hamburger, 汉堡 and fries, 薯条 hot dog, 热狗 and fries, 薯条 are literal translations. Hot is 热 and dog is 狗, and I'll explain them more in the bonus content later. 薯 is potato, and 条 is used to describe something long and thin. Hamburger, 汉堡 is translated phonetically, and it will help you to memorize it easier. It's the end of the first part, and you're welcome to pause, to digest, or to make screenshots. Then move on to the next fast-paced section. Are you ready? Let's go! Hot dog, 热狗 hamburger, 汉堡 fries, 薯条 Here's the bonus content. 2 Chinese radicals, 火 fire and 犬 dog. Hot dog is 热狗. 热 means hot, and the 4 dots at the bottom is fire. Fire relates to heat. 狗 implies a dog, and the 犬 on the left also means a dog. I'll introduce more Chinese radicals in my future videos, and if you'd like to know more, you are welcome to subscribe to my channel. Hey, I hope this bite-sized content is helpful for you, and I feel hungry now. Before the end, let's review them again. They are hot dog, 热狗 hamburger, 汉堡 and fries, 薯条 I'll upload a series of fast food related vocabularies. See you again soon. Bye bye.